Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to follow someone on Twitch. Also I wonder why you want to know how to follow someone on Twitch. Maybe you know someone who is on Twitch so you just want to follow them so that you could see their content. Or maybe someone is on Twitch and it really inspired you so you just want to follow them. Or there could be any other reason for you to follow someone on Twitch. So if you don't know how to follow someone on Twitch, so don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Twitch app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Twitch app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the normally Twitch app looks. We have options almost all over the screen. If you see at the bottom, we have four options. One is following, then second one is discover. This is the discover, and this is the third option, browser. There you could see we have two options, and at the last we have search. The reason for showing you all these options is that through all these options we could easily follow somebody of our choice. You could either go to explore, discover or search. You just have to simply search for that person. You just have to find that person and then you can easily follow it. So here in discover you can see we have all the trending and viral creators. So for that, if you want to follow someone, you just have to simply tap on their profile icon and then we can easily follow them. Even at browser we just have to find for the creator and then we can follow them. And at the search, on the search bar you have to just simply type for anything, whatever you're looking for, type for it, and after that results will come. From the results you can also follow anybody of your choice. Whoever you prefers, you have to follow them and they will come onto this following page. So here in the discover, what we have to do is that, for example, if you want to follow this person, you have to click on its profile icon. After that, their profile will open, and from there you have to simply click on this follow option, and after that, that person will get follow. And then you have to manage some notification centers if you want. And in explore, there we have different kind of categories. So you have to select any category of your choice. Here I'm selecting this one, taken 7, and once I clicked on it, I will see all the creators and the people who are related to Taken 7. They will appear on my screen. From there I just have to simply open their profile, and when it's profile open, just simply follow them and they will get followed. And in the search you have to search for someone and then results will come. From the results you have to simply go for any of the characters. After that you have to click on this follow option. Once you tap on it, they will get followed by you. And now if you want to see all these things, what you have to do is that you have to go to following, and there you will see all the following people on your following list. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can follow someone on Twitch. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.